Your most loving and affectionate sovereign, Elizabeth R. Right trusty and well beloved, and right dear and well beloved, we greet you well. The bitter accidents befallen you, which is the cause of our writing, being that which toucheth you both with equal smart, and our desire that all the comfort which we wish to you may reach to each of you together with our letters. Loath we were to have written at all, because in such bitter accidents, for the most part, the offering of comfort is but the presenting a fresh occasion of sorrow. But yet, being well persuaded of your constant resolution, grounded as well on the experience of other like mishaps, which yours have seen, and also chiefly upon your religious obedience to the work of his hand, whose strokes are avoidable, we could not forbear to do our part. Partly because we conceive that we shall therein propose ourselves for an example to you, our loss in politic respect, considering their great merit, being no less than yours in natural consideration, and partly by giving you assurance that whatsoever from us may minister comfort, by demonstrating towards you the value we made of the departed, shall not fail to be employed to your best contentments. Assuring you that for this hard hap of yours we will give order that as soon as possible he may leave his charge in good sort, he shall be with you to yield you all duty and service he may, because we know it would be some stay to your sorrows to have him in your eye who is now in foreign parts, and that your hard hap shall rather serve us for matter to increase our care of you than any way to abate it. Given under our signet, at our honour of Hampton Court, the 6th of September 1599, in the 41st year of our reign.